In this video, we will learn how to use Vlookup in Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some small data. So I'm going to calculate the profit against the product ID. So here I'm using the Vlookup to get the profit against every product ID. So let's start how it's done. First select the cell, enter the is equal to, write the Vlookup, tab, select the lookup value, then comma, select the table array, select the first cell, then use the shift control right arrow, then shift control down arrow. Then use the F4 to fix the table array. I press the F4 to here you see fix the table array with the dollar sign. So then I use the comma, index number. So there is a first column, there is a second and third and fourth. Fourth is a profit. So we want here the output is profit. So index number is a 4. Then use the comma. False for exact match. Select the false one option. Then bracket close and just enter. And drag this formula below this cell. Here you see when I used a VLOOKUP showing the some error. Here I am showing you one trick to remove this error. When you see here the ID, when you click on the any cell showing some error sign, and here you see the some message show on this error. The number in this cell is formatted as a text. So this number is in text, but this number is not in text. So this difference on two column, the VLOOKUP will not apply. Either both column is required in text or in number. So this is a different showing on both column. Therefore here VLOOKUP not applied. So let's see how it's remove the text. So first I select the full column here. Then you go to the data tab. Click on the text to column. Delimit it. Then click on the next. Next. And here you see in general because the number is already in text. If you want to convert in text, if you can select the text. So I want to remove the text, so I select the general. Then click on the finish. Now here you see the magic that all error is removed. So that's it. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.